Welcome everybody to Post Atomic. We're back here at George Air Force Base. Like I said, we just cannot get enough of this place. It's so close. It's kind of like, why not come? Why not come and explore a little bit more than we did the initial time? By the way, Britt's right here. No solo trip yet. One of these days, I'll do something solo. But anyways, I think what we're coming to check out, I think at one point, it's this. We didn't go in this at all last time. We barely even drove by it. So
we noticed that it had a playground.
Yeah, I think it was a daycare. I'm not sure, but it was something world and children on the front of the building there. So like I said, it might have been a daycare. I'm not sure. Why don't you come with us and find out? Cue the music. Holly, look right here and say hi. Alright. Here we are back on the lazy river. This is our view right outside of that, what we're assuming is a daycare. There's the motel we've checked out. All the redundant tagging. Must have had some type of competition, because I mean, why would you repeatedly tag the same thing up in the same place? Ooh, no. Not good. Yeah, you know what? These don't all go through. So maybe it was like a little strip mall or something. Well, they do go through.
I want to say you were right, honey. You look like
Daycare?
Like it in 2, 4.
Yep.
That's what it had.
So if you guys can see this, from what I can tell, the camera's picking it up pretty good.
I know that certain daycares, they have different age rooms.
Yeah.
Like on Toy Story.
Yes, because Toy Story is real life.
Yeah, look at the number.
Yep. Or you know what else this could have been as a church, but
No.
this could have been like the main room.
Now look at the potties. Look at tiny potties. Look at tiny potties.
Alright, I'm coming over here just to show you guys toilets, guys. And I don't see, oh yeah. Yep. Little daycare. That thing like is below my knee, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm so quiet. It's just kind of taking it all in, and there's really not much to talk about. We're just here to check everything out and do a little exploring. Yeah. This must have been the timeout room. Oh no, just the hallway.
I think they just have different rooms for different ages.
Yeah. So that door we just walked through just closed on us. And it's not even connected to the spring. Mind you, it was open when we came up to it, right, Britt? Was the door open or did you open it?
I think it was over here. Here's a little body. And they're all attached. Toilet I can sit on and fit on.
You can sit on and fit on?
Yeah, I can.
Are you making up nursery rhymes here?
No, I'm feeling for it for me.
Oh. Somebody's cubicle got knocked over. Yep, so we were right.
No, you were right. I didn't see. This is just a room.
Oh, this must have been.
You can go through.
Oh, that's where they put all the bad kids. Storage closet. I'm gonna stay open this time.
This is actually a pretty big building.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than what it looks like on the outside. Hello, anybody here?
Normal size potty.
Well, there's got to be normal sized people in here.
They
Oh, yeah.
open and close, so that's what we see on the floor.
Yeah.
Busted.
Oh, okay.
See, they all open.
And the first signs of the exterior roof giving away. I'm pretty sure this is the end of the building. Yep. There's that playground. Mailman didn't even notice me.
There's the playground we saw.
Yeah, that's what I just told him.
Not much of a playground.
And there, over there, is our next objective.
Can you put these two together?
The theater. All right, guys, that's it for the daycare at George Air Force Base. If you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a like. Also, share the video. That's what helps get the word out and helps the channel to grow. And also subscribe, hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any of our adventures, such as the one you just seen now. Now we're gonna go record another one real quick. We're gonna go inside the movie theater over there, or it's more like a playhouse, but it says it's a movie theater. I don't know. You guys decide once you see the video. But thanks for watching.